Meet the Pina family. Pepe and Clementine, along with their 3 children. Olive, who is 17 and will be graduating high school in a few months. Romero, who is 12 and loves to play sports. And Sophia, who is 6 and just started kindergarten. Pepe is a hard worker, but has struggled to find work that will fully support his family. So he picked up a second part-time job to help with the high rent his family's facing. Clementine works a few part-time hours at a local retail store while the kids are in school. Because of their tight budget and busy schedule, Pepe and Clementine have had a hard time creating healthy meals for their family. Both Pepe and Clementine have many hopes and dreams. They dream of having a more secure future and want better for their children. And they are motivated to make some changes. They decided to apply for SNAP benefits through the local Department of Workforce Services. Along with receiving SNAP benefits, they also learned about SNAP Ed classes through Create Better Health. The caseworker at the Department of Workforce Services explained that these classes had a wide variety of important topics like food budgeting, grocery shopping, goal setting, incorporating physical activity, and meal planning. The worker also told Pepe and Clementine that these classes were no cost, and they were all taught in Spanish as well. Pepe was excited to hear this because Spanish is Pepe's native language. After returning home, they were ready to learn more about these classes. They used the Extension website to find more information on locations and times for the classes in their county.
The website was a great resource in finding the information we needed. We were directed to our county social media, where we could see events that were happening right within our community.
We also signed up for the newsletter, which sends healthy recipes right to our email.
Clementine found a class that worked with her busy schedule and attended the following week.
At the community class, I learned more about using my SNAP benefits and how to plan out a menu. I also learned how to make a skillet meal.
Pepe wanted to be involved in the classes too, but due to his tight work hours, he could not attend a class in person.
I wasn't able to find a class that I could fit into my tight schedule, but I was excited when we found the online Create Better Health classes. It is a self-paced course that I can do from anywhere. This way I can learn the content on my own time, and I don't have to take any time off work. There's also a version in Spanish that is available.
Along with using their SNAP benefits at the store, the Pinas also shop at their local food pantry. Pepe and Clementine had learned through their Create Better Health class that the healthy choice thumbs up signs at the food pantry meant that those were healthy options they could choose from for their meals. Because the healthy options were made visible, their grocery trip took less time than usual, which all the family members were excited about. One day, the kids all came home from school excited to share with their parents about what they had learned that day.
We learned all about food budgeting, reading nutrition labels, and making meal plans. I'm excited to use this information when I move out and start making meals all on my own.
I loved my class today. Captain Create told us all about how important physical activity is and how it is good to fuel up with food after physical activity. I'm going to pack a healthy snack for after soccer practice.
We got to learn all about grains today and how they help my body move and be active every day. The teacher gave me this recipe that we can try as a family.
Because of these lessons the kids learned at school and what Pepe and Clementine had learned in their classes, the whole family was excited to help make dinner. They made a delicious stir-fry together. Later during the summer, the Pinas decided to visit the farmers market. They had learned through their class that their local farmers market participated in the Double Up Food Bucks program. They could use their SNAP benefits there, and the market would double their money up to $30 to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. The Pina family has continued to use the knowledge that they gained during their classes with Create Better Health. They even filled out the evaluation forms to help the program improve. They are excited to begin the new classes called Create Healthy Gardens, and even learn how to grow their own fruits and vegetables. The Pina family is excited about the changes they have made and are now looking forward to more healthy meals.
My favorite part was learning how to set the table. Now that's my job at dinner time, and I love to fold the napkins in different ways.
I love helping in the kitchen to cook our meals. I am even excited to try new fruits and vegetables.
My favorite part is getting to choose healthy snacks for our family and try new recipes.
I now enjoy being more involved. I feel confident that I can help prepare healthy meals to help my children learn more about my culture.
The skills I have learned have helped me stretch my food dollar. It's great having a well-stocked pantry. I love the new recipes, and I'm excited that I can now find most of the ingredients in my own cupboards.
Do you want to join the Pina family and learn more about your SNAP benefits? Visit the Create Better Health website for more information and events held in your county.